by under an RTI.
No. But the point I want to ask, and Salman Khurshid, for a moment, the fact is, look at the assets of Robert Vadra, how they've grown. You've gone after Jagan Reddy, you've attached his assets because you believe that he's got disproportionate assets. Should there not be an investigation or inquiry into Robert Vadra? I come back to it. Nobody is pronouncing, at least on this channel, his guilt.
Rajiv,
but it's a legitimate question to ask.
Can I add a question to
No, hold on, please.
Can I add a question?
No, you can add it later.
A simple question.
Yes.
No, my simple question to Mr. Salman Khurshid, who is a law minister and a corporate minister, if somebody gives me an unsecured loan and I don't respond, will the income tax will come after me or not? If not, then I am very happy as a citizen of this country.
Salman Khurshid respond. I linked him to Kadi Modi. What is the difference between Robert Vadra and a Jagan Reddy?
I'm telling you again.
Yes.
I'm telling you again.
Yes.
I'm somewhat amused at the innocence of all these spokespersons that come from our opposing parties.
Yes.
They're not. This is not a lawyer's chamber. I'm not supposed to give free advice here. In fact, as a law minister, if I'm going to pronounce
so you're not answering my question.
That is to be in court.
So you're not answering my question.
I'm answering your question.
Yes.
I'm answering the question that I answer is in this manner, that it is not for me to pronounce on people's guilt or lack of it. It is not for me to pronounce why one case is different from another case.
Yes.
You just check with me directly on what we are doing here today.
Right.
As Jayanti said very clearly, we know that the attack is on our party and on our leadership.
Yes.
And therefore, we are obligated to defend and protect, not only for the sake of the Congress party, but for the sake of rule of law in this country.
You know, Salman Khurshid, hold that thought, because Arvind Kejriwal joins us. You've called him a blackmailer, sir.
Few days back, we have put it in public domain today.
Right.
People ought to, I would like to tell Mr. Salman Khurshid, he is saying that there is an attack on their leadership, there is an attack on Congress party, and it is his duty to protect them.
Yes.
No, Mr. Salman Khurshid, you are law minister of this country. You are not law minister of Congress party. You ought to defend the country. You ought to protect the people of this country. You are not the law minister to protect your leadership. If there is an allegation on your leadership, there ought to be honest investigations rather than you protecting your leadership.
Salman Khurshid, respond. Respond to what you are hearing
rather
from
than you protecting your leadership, you should be.
Can I seriously?
Yes.
Can I seriously tell you?
Yes.
I think that these are rumblings of a sick mind. They pronounce on what is right and wrong, and then they insist that you should pursue the wrong and be right. Now they are not to set standards. I am the law minister, I know it, but I'm also the law minister who this Mr. Kejriwal is accused of corruption because I decided that I would stand by my understanding of the law. And from such a person, I don't need to be told what is good for the country and what is not. One thing that is good for the country is to shut up people who bring about false, fraudulent allegations against the best people in this country.
Arvind Kejriwal, respond to the point that will be made that you are virtually presuming that Robert Vadra is guilty without giving him a chance to prove his innocent. You have created a miasma of doubt around him. Salman Khurshid, hold on. Salman Khurshid, hold on. Salman Khurshid, hold on to that. It's only fair that you hold on. Okay, Salman Khurshid has taken out his earphone, but respond then to that, Arvind Kejriwal.